Navigation in the Lighthouse Authorities IELE buoyage system is a standard-sized system used globally to mark navigational channels, hazards, and other important features for a safe marine navigation. The system helps sailors, pilots, and vessel operation to navigate safely through complex waterways. Number 1. Key components of the ILE buoyage system. Lateral marks indicates the port, left and starboard right sides of channel. Colors red or green, and shapes cylinders or cones differ based on the region. So sa lateral marks na siya indicate port, left, starboard, right sides channel, and colors na siya red or green, yung shape ay cylinders. Number 2, cardinal marks indicates the direction of safe water relative to a hazard, north, south, east, or west of the mark. So ang cardinal marks indicates siya sa mga direction south, east, o west. Number 3, isolated danger marks indicated hazard with a navigable water all around. Number 4, safe water marks indicate safe water and no hazard nearby. Number 5, special marks indicate especially areas and features such as military zones, cable areas, or anchorage. IELE regions. The IELE regions buoyage systems is divided into main regions. Number 1, Region A includes Europe, Africa, Australia, and parts of Asia in Region A. Port of left side marks are red and cylindrical. Starboard right side marks are green and conical. Number 2, so ang LE regions is nansay duha ka parts, Region A o Region B. So number 2, Region B includes North and South America, Japan, South Korea, and the Philippines in Region B. Port left side marks are green and conical. Standard night size marks are used red cylindrical importance. The ILE buoyage systems ensure safety in navigation by providing a consistent and recognizable way to mark hazards and channels. By following the system, mariners can navigate complex waterways and confidence, reducing the risk of accidents and improving overall maritime safety. In your location, the Philippines Region B applies where port side marks the green and conical and starboard side marks are red and cylindrical.